Hello everyone from Tony, the Scout Ghost. I'm here today again with a box that actually I received quite a few weeks ago, but now finally we can open it together. So here I am with my mighty scissors and let's open it. So here we are. This is a Kiwi Design RGB Vertical Stand for Quest 2, 3 and Pro. So all the headsets I have, you can see this is the design. RGB Vertical Stand here. Here there are the instructions on how to use it for the 3 headsets and nothing more. So now it's time for me to open. Voila, so now I can slide this away and Kiwi Design box. Make things better. Here there are the instructions how to set up this stand, and then this very inspiring make things better, but I like to make things in a bad way. So, and here we have the various pieces of the stand. So let me take off them one by one, which plastic stuff. And wow, this is pretty heavy. And plastic thing. And this pyramid thing here. So nothing more, but there is still this little box. And this little box contains this thing, which I see having some USB-C connection. So this is probably the most important part, which USB here there are 2 buttons. So this is probably what brings electricity to the wall stand. And here we have some little things. So this is some USB-C thing that I don't know. And here we have customer service. So here there is some little book on the instructions and safety and blah blah blah. That's great. And nothing more. So here you are all the pieces of the stand that I will set up in a few seconds. Okay, the unboxing is done. Now I'm looking at the little pamphlet and the instructions in the box to understand how to set it up. So let's assemble this together. So the first part of the instruction is to take this little guy and put it here. So I guess I have to remove this thing. Okay, and now I do this. So step 1 is completed. Step 2 is taking this and putting here. Okay, then I have to take these 2 things and I have to do this. You see there is this guide here and I have to slide it this way, and now this thing goes this way. So we have the mount ready. I guess these ones can also be moved for the controllers, and there is this little guy that I saw from the instruction. It can go behind.
years later.
Okay, there is still one piece, and it was not clear how to use it. Also because in instruction on the box is not clear at all. Also because it's this weird thing. But now I understood thanks to this little pamphlet. So hear me out. You put this in this USB port, and that's it. And you said that this one is magnetic. So how do you use it? Well, that's interesting. You take your headset and you put this one here in the charging port. This way, when you have to charge it, you just to put it on the stand. And you don't have to do other weird stuff like attaching a USB port, whatever. It's very, very handy for charging. The problem is that actually I use this port to connect the headset to the computer. So for me, it's not that great since I do a lot of development. But if you use the headset only for gaming, this is super handy. So now I can also put my controllers here somehow, and one here, and the other one here. So you see they look beautiful. And now there is a little thing, there is another last thing I have to do, which is to connect this to the power outlet. So there is a USB port in the back, and I connect it. So you see that there are two buttons on the bottom here. One is to switch between the effects of the RGB lights. You see now there is light and I can change the color this way. And then there is a power button theoretically to turn on and off the stand. And you see, since there is the magnetic connector that is touching, the headset is recharging. So you can keep your headset in this place and fully recharge it and keep the headset very tidy with the controller on your desk. So it's pretty beautiful. And so that's it. I've unboxed and assembled this Kiwi Design stand for my Quest headset. I hope you enjoyed the video. If this is the case, please like and subscribe and send me a lot of love, and thanks for watching. Wait a second. After I showed these instructions, I noticed that I made a little mistake all the time, because I thought this was the natural setup, you know, like a little pyramid, but this was a bit unstable because actually this doesn't go this way, but this way. You have to push it and then clack, and this way it's super stable. So don't make my same mistake, it should go this way. And thanks for watching, have a good day in VR, bye bye.